Your supplier has uploaded an invoice. Does that mean that you can claim GST credit automatically? No. There is certain procedure to be followed. Here is the importance of Invoice Management System or IMS. So imagine ABC Limited is buying goods worth 1 lakh by paying GST rupees 18,000 from XYZ traders. So XYZ traders will enter that in GSTR-1, GSTR-1A or IFF, Invoice Furnishing Facility. Once they will enter that, ABC Limited will get the details through IMS, that is the Invoice Management System. So they can take 3 actions. Either they can accept that information entered in IMS, that is if all the information is correct, they have verified and they can accept it. Second, they can reject it if some information is wrong. Instead of 18,000 GST, they have entered it as 1,800. They can outrightly reject it, or they can keep the information pending. They need some clarification. The credit note number is different. So they will ask the supplier to change that and keep it upload again, then they will accept it. Next is, there is a difference when they are filing, when they are seeing the returns. ABC Limited purchase ledger is showing rupees 18,000 GST paid, but XYZ 2B returns, GSTR-2B is showing only 15,000. So there is a difference of 3,000. Now what they can do? They can check all the details, invoice number, duplicate invoice, credit notes, goods supplied, the date of supply, all the details. So if there is some correction, they have to contact the supplier for making the corrections and upload it again. Now the next is, remember GSTR-2A and 2B. GSTR-2A is a dynamic statement. That is, it keeps changing as the supplier is uploading the information. GSTR-2B is a static statement. It is generated by the 14th of the succeeding month. So once, if there is some mistake, the IMS system, they can make the corrections, they can request the supplier or whatever corrections they want to make, and they can again regenerate the GSTR-2B statement from the IMS dashboard before filing the GSTR-3B returns. Now, what is the, if they are, even if imagine the situation, your supplier, your ABC traders purchase register is showing rupees 18,000, suppliers GSTR-2B is also showing rupees 18,000. Can they automatically claim that? No, they have to check that whether the goods are received, whether the goods and services are received, whether it is purchased for business purpose, whether it is blocked under section 17(5). All these details they have to check and then they have to accept it. So that is the procedure for claiming ITC. So IMS is giving the facility first to verify that, claim that, verify that, if there is any mistake, rectify that and claim that. So this is the importance of IMS in claiming the ITC credit from under GST.